Hi guys, before going to details discussion, subscribe my channel, and stay with us from my below link. However, now, I am going to deliver a review of the product that is, Tinton Life, Home Portable Rod, Powerful Vertical Vacuum Cleaners, MD-1801. If you are interested to find the product details, and wanted to purchase on discount price, with free shipping, check my below AliExpress link. Let's go the details of my honest opinion. It has very good customer review. It has 4.7 stars out of 5 stars, at the time of my review the product. Multifunctional vertical vacuum cleaner. Wholly opposite design, small vacuum with big suction. Varied combination, cleaning brush, gap brush head, brush extension tube. Super suction of dust, for floor or carpet. Corner cleaning, one-off cleaning, from sofa gap, to window corner. Together with the extension tube, can make it more convenient, to clean high places. Super light design. Washable filter. It can be vertical, to save space, when not in use. The real buyers, are buying this product, around the world. So, undoubtedly, you can decide to buy from AliExpress, discount link below. Thank you very much for watching this.